Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your device and opening the Recorder app right away. Plug in an external mic if you plan to use one. Make sure system input switches to that device. Once done, adjust input level to around 60–70% so peaks don't clip. This gives headroom. You should also pick file format. Use WAV for quality or MP3 for smaller files. Now press the record button and speak close to the mic to confirm clear capture. You continue by configuring detailed recording settings before long takes. Choose a sample rate like 44. 1 kHz for spoken audio, 48 kHz if you'll sync to video later. Turn on a low-cut filter to remove rumble and enable gentle noise reduction only if it doesn't muffle voice. Test briefly. Use a short pre-roll or a 3-second countdown so you start speaking naturally. Monitor levels during the take and you finish by stopping and saving immediately with a clear file name and date so you can find the file later. Export a WAV when you plan edits. Export MP3 for quick sharing. Make sure to normalize or trim silence if needed and label takes if you record multiple versions. If audio sounds distant or missing, check microphone permissions in settings, confirm cables and adapters are snug, and verify input gain isn't zero. These quick checks resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.